Can you delete Instagram chats from both sides permanently? In order for you to figure it out, let's jump right into the video. First thing first, head over to your application Instagram. Enter your login credentials and make sure that you are logged into a specific account. Once you have been logged in, now swipe left and head over to your chat section. Tons of different inboxes will be visible to you. Tap and hold the inbox of the person that you want to delete the chat from the both side. After that, you can see the option of delete. Click on delete. And then once again, tap on remove. Well, you can see the chat has been deleted, but you should know that it will only be deleted on your side. The other person will be able to view all of the chats. So if you want to delete it from the both side, you need to request this person to delete the chat as well, and then only you will be good to go. So that's the end of the video. If this video helped you out, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.